Hello YouTube, I'm Patrick Swayze.
And I'm Gary Boosie.
Nice to meet you, and thank you for clicking on this, and hopefully you add us to your favorites and give us comments.
Exactly, we're going to teach about fireworks safety.
Speaking of fireworks, one of the most important things to remember while shooting off fireworks is always, no matter what, stay out of the distance of the firework and make sure it's not pointed at you or your animals.
That's a good point there, Patrick.
And remember, on 4th of July, we are celebrating independence, not terrorism. So don't blow up anything that's bigger, or don't make any uncommon explosions, and if it's in your neighborhood, make sure there's no old people around you. And if there are old people, go to door and tell them that you will be lighting off fireworks for the celebrate independence so that they know that you're not a terrorist.
Exactly.
Just remember, Gatorade is a healthy product to drink on 4th of July.
And sprees strengthen the enamel on your teeth. No, I'm just saying, do we want some of these?
Of course! Are they fireworks?
Jesus! Put them in there.
This might be the new. This might be. This is getting close to a bad idea.
I think it is a bad
idea. Fireworks. Just when you thought we had enough fireworks, we're in the final touches.
It's so heavy.
All this shit in there, should I just dump it?
Just pour it in, boy.
Just a little bit.
No, hold on, wait. Puddle. Has to be a little puddle.
That's enough.
That's not enough.
That's enough.
That's good!
That's enough. We ready? What are you waiting for? There's gonna be cars regardless.
Oh, Jesus! These are the ones that shoot out and shit, don't they?
They do stuff.
They do stuff.
Yeah.
That's
Gary Boosie, what do you have to say about this right now?
Oh man, I'm waiting to see what happens. Fireworks safety is a dangerous job.
Oh fuck! Oh my God! Hold on! Wait! Wait!
Look at these dudes backing up the shit.
I like it. Yeah. Hold on. No.
I'm Patrick Swayze, and I do not endorse what went on. Make it a stop.
It's not.
That was pretty crazy.
That was pretty good, I have to say.
Dude, like at first it just went up in flames.
Yeah, that was kind of sad. Was when it shot the shit out. I was like, oh no. That's how low that thing was.
Yeah.
I was afraid if that tree would have caught on fire, and the great Jesus.
Yeah, see those over there?
Yeah.
Pussy.
Yeah.
This is how you do it.
This is how you do fireworks safety.
Spend $2 at Walmart and get some buckets.
Nice job down that hose, Gary Boosie.
No problem, Patrick Swayze.
You're all.
Die!
That's just Ron. Imagine that's Ron.
Ron. I wish I could see that smoldering pile of rubber.
It's a dangerous job.
Hold on, wait.
Thanks for watching. You learned about fireworks and what to do and what not to do. I'm Patrick Swayze.
And I'm Gary Busey.
And just like this PSA was a skyrocketing 5 stars, please give us 5 stars later so we can be on the front page of the day when you go on YouTube and find out that the show is a top director of videos, and we will be on there.